anymore.
After this is what?
No, after you say like we will miss some classes, so Thursday all we don't have assessment. We'll have the tambahan class, is it?
Yeah, lor. I cannot give you any more assessment. You know, if I give you assessment, someone we need to discuss. I got no time, lor. No, assessment, yes, but no PBD. Okay, you see, next assessment is next week. Okay, so you prepare your chapter 3. And then on the 23rd that week, is your assessment 4. Then you prepare your chapter 4. This is for August. So we still have 2 more assessment. And then every time assessment, I need to discuss with you the assessment also. Like example, my planning for this Thursday, I will discuss your assessment too. So I don't think I got time long, but never mind lah, we'll see how lah. Okay. So okay, so remember we will still have assessment. If the assessment day is like example assessment, yours is what day? Or yours is Thursday. Thursday is okay, what? The public holiday is Tuesday. So on the 12th, on the 26th will be your assessment. I also cannot teach. I know, like that. Only this week one and the 19th, 2 weeks, I can use your tutorial time to teach. Okay, so I'll share screen now. Okay, so can see text mode or not, Lisa?
Yeah, I can see.
Yes, yeah. Okay, so then we stop at this example 4. Okay, so I want to do a little bit of revisions. Okay, so y'all please wake up. I know this is a first class in the morning. Y'all still blur, okay? Cannot wake up like that. Okay, so everyone wake up. So I need the information that we have learned that day, okay, to show you the example 4, 5, and some of the questions in the self exercise 6.2. Okay, so we will start with the tuakaso. Okay, so I write it here. Okay. So tangent. Okay, to O opposite side over adjacent side. Okay, so I need sine is what, and then cos is what. Okay, so can the next girl answer my questions? Okay, Lydia, you do sine, and then Shahira do cos. You want type, is it? Okay, the rest you see always we do trigo all this information you have to get ready Okay, so O over H, opposite over hypotenuse Okay, Shahira, cos theta.
Adjacent over hypo.
Over?
Adjacent over hypo.
Okay, hypotenuse A over H, so car. Okay, next we want to know is, okay, because this is at math, so you have a cosecant. Okay, cosecant is 1 over sine theta. Okay, so the next girl, please tell me what is secant and then what is cotangent. Okay, is the reciprocal of what? Okay, so who is the next one? Vigen and then Ravania. Okay, Vigen, tell me secant theta is 1 over what? Okay, Ravania, tell me cotangent is 1 over what? Ayo. Can you still hear me? Someone please respond. My network is bad.
Can still hear you.
Okay, good. Okay, so can I have who Vigen? Second theta is 1 over what? And then Ravania, cotangent theta is 101. Hi. Is Wei Jian here? Is Ravania here? Okay, 1 over cos, thank you. Okay, how about Ravania, cotangent theta? Okay, 1 over tangent, very good. Okay. Okay, so this is for the 6 trigger ratio that you need to know. Okay, next last lesson also we learn complementary angles. Okay, so this one also you need to know. So I list out here. Okay, the first one we learn is sine theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. Okay, so I want the next girl to tell me what is cos theta, and then what is secant theta, cosecant theta, tangent theta, and cotangent theta. Okay, who is the next one? Okay, Rosina, Sarah, Celine. Okay, Rosina answer cos theta. Sarah answer secant theta. And then Celine answer cosecant theta. Rosina, Sarah, and then Celine. If you want to on your mic, you just on your mic and then tell you are who, and then you just answer the questions. If not, then you just type in the chat. Okay, Rosina say, okay, cos theta is sine 90 minus theta. Okay. Okay, thank you, Rosina. Okay, Serene is answering cosecant. So cosecant is secant 90 minus theta. Okay, then Sarah is answer for secant theta. Okay, while waiting for Sarah, okay, next two girl will be Shuda and Siranya. Okay, so Shuda, please answer for tangent theta. Siranya, please answer for cotangent theta. Sarah? Okay, so Sarah, you should answer for secant theta. I don't know which one you're answering. Okay, Siranya is answer for cotangent theta. Shuda have to answer for tangent theta. Sarah, you should answer for secant theta. Shuda, you have to answer for tangent theta. I should write your name here. Okay, Sarah, secant theta is a cosecant 90 minus theta. Thank you. Shuda, tangent theta is not secant 90 minus theta. Shuda, tangent theta cannot be another tangent and then 90 minus theta. You see your textbook also got lah. Page 194, come on. If you don't know, then just say don't know. Then I give a chance to another girl. Come on, sudah. Right. Okay. So tangent theta is cotangent. Okay, 90 minus theta. Okay. So you see, this is brother sister. Okay, sine theta and cos theta is a brother sister. Okay, second cosecant brother sister. Okay, tangent and cotangent are the brother sister. Okay. So now we have gathered all the information that we have. Okay. Okay, so now I try to use all this information to help me to solve the example 4 and 5. Okay, let us look at this. Okay, actually all these questions are, if this is number, so actually you can use your calculator to check the final answer. But the working, okay, you must show all this. Okay, so given that sine 77 is this, and then cos 77 is this, find the value of each of the following. Okay, whatever given here, you got to make use of this. They no need to say in the question that's without using calculator. It's understood. Whatever given in the question, you got to make use of this. Okay, for this kind of questions. Okay, so you see, all the question given here is a 13. The angle is 13. So you see 13, but given is 77. Immediately you will know 77 plus 13. Okay, you get 90. Okay, so 77 and then 13, actually they are complementary. Okay, they are complementary angles. Okay, so if they are complementary angles, then you got to use all this to help. Okay, now we start. Okay, so if they are looking at cos 13, okay, we see this. Okay, cos theta is equal to sine 90 minus theta. So cos 13 is equal to sine 90 minus 13. Okay, we are using this one. Okay, so 90 minus 13 is 77. So this one, cos 13 actually is same as sine 77. So sine 77 is what? Okay, from the what given? 0.9744. Okay, if you got no confidence whether you do it correctly or not, check with your calculator. Okay, cos 13. Okay, 0.9744. Okay, 44. Okay, but you don't just straight away from the calculator write cos 13 is this without the working this one. Cannot. Okay, you are not getting mark. But you can use a calculator to check whether your answer is correct or not. If your answer is wrong, mean you got to check your working already. Okay, we go to B. Okay, cosecant 13. Okay, same thing. Cosecant 13, I use this. Okay, I write it as a 19. Second 90 minus 13. Okay, second 90 minus 13, which is second 77. Okay, when we come to here, because here they didn't give you second 77, but you have a sine 77 and cos 77. Okay, now you look at this. Okay, second theta is equal to 1 over cos theta. Okay, so second 77, you can write it as 1 over cos 77. So 1 over cos 77 is 0.225. So it's 1 over 0.225, and then you press calculator, you get the answer. Okay, next, cotangent 13. Okay, so here, cotangent 13. Okay, you use this. Okay, cotangent 13 as tangent 90 minus 13. Okay, so it's tangent 77. Okay, same thing. Here is not given tangent 77. Okay, so you have to know one more thing. Okay, tangent theta is equal to sine theta over cos theta. Okay, so sine theta is 0.9744, cos theta is 0.225. Okay, this one also we must see, only we can give you the final marks. If not, we will assume you press calculator. Okay, so you got to make use of all this information, okay, and then do the questions. Okay, so always when I do trigo, I would like to have all this ready in my hands. Okay, easy for me to see which one I need to use. Okay, okay, now we go to example 5. Okay, given this cos 63 is K. K, they don't give you a value like just now. Just now they give you the value, but now they don't give you the value. So, okay, find the value of each of following in terms of K. This one you cannot press calculator already. Not like just now the example 4, you can press calculators still to check your final answer whether it's correct or not. This one get no way for you to check the answer from the calculator already. Okay, so this one is very important. This kind of question you can do. Usually this kind of question will come out in paper 1 for the old syllabus. Okay, this kind of questions always is come out in paper 1. Okay, so let us start. Okay, so first of all, cos 63 is equal to K. The K, you write it as K over 1. Because, okay, cos theta is A over H, adjacent over hypotenuse. Therefore, you can say that this K is the adjacent and then this one is the hypotenuse. Okay, this is the purpose we need to write it as a fraction. Okay, not just a K. Okay, it's better for you to write as K over 1. Okay, then you draw out a right angle triangle. Okay, label one of the angle as 63. Okay, and then adjacent. Okay, so this is the opposite side. I label O, big one. Okay, and then opposite with the hypotenuse, this is opposite with the right angle, this is hypotenuse, and then the last one, this one is adjacent. Therefore, I label the adjacent with K. Can you see a K here? Okay, and I label the hypotenuse with 1. Can you see the 1 here? Then, using Pythagoras theorem to find the other last side, which is the opposite side. Okay, so you use 1 squared minus K squared, okay, and then square root 8. Okay, if all these are you still not sure, you still don't know, you better do revision by yourself. Okay, so now you are getting ready for the 3 side. Okay, and then you can start to do the question already. Okay, but before that, because this is 63, you know this is in the first quadrant. Okay, for this question is still okay. When afterwards we still have we have a few questions. They will have not only in first quadrant. Then the positive and the negative sign you got to involve. But luckily that this question, the 63 here is in first quadrant. Okay, and then you see the question 632727 all in first quadrant. Therefore, all your answer is in positive. Okay, this is positive, positive, and positive. Nothing to do with negative. Okay, for these questions, you don't have to worry about the sign yet. Okay, so now we start. Okay, sine 63. 63 degree. Okay, 63 degree. Okay. Tuakaso, okay, sine is equal to O over H. Now you see, I need to use this. O over H. So O is this, square root of 1 minus K squared. Okay, H is 1. Okay, so the answer is square root of 1 minus K squared over 1. Okay, then the over 1 no need to write. Therefore, this is the final answer. Okay, then sine 27 degree. For this, I don't want to use this. Okay, I can use this way, you see, because this is 63, automatically this is 27. Okay, I use another color. There are 2 ways of doing this type of questions. One way is using this method. Okay, using this method. Okay, the complementary angle method. Okay, the other way is by using the diagram to help you. Okay, so I use the red color. Okay, so I label for the red color opposite with the 27. Now it's become this already. Red color. Okay, and then this one is still hypotenuse. Okay, but adjacent will be this. Okay, so now if I don't use a complementary angles to do these questions, okay, same thing. Sine is O over H. Okay, but now it's referring to the red color one. Okay, so it's O over H. Okay, O is K here. Okay, H is 1. Okay, therefore it's K over 1. Okay, so it's K. Okay, this is another way of doing it. Okay, but you please don't confuse with the angle 63 and angle 27, which side should be the opposite and which side should be the adjacent? This one you have to be careful. Okay, cosecant the same thing. Okay, cosecant, same thing, I don't want to use a complementary angle. Okay, so cosecant as 1 over sine. Okay, so I write here, cosecant as 1 over sine 27. Okay, you see, sine 27 is K. I get the answer from the part B. So it's 1 over K, finish. Okay, I also can do it this way. Okay, not wrong, as long as you show the working. Okay, so this is for example number 5. So example number 5, this type of question you must know. Okay, when the question given the information, you must transfer it first into the triangle, right angle triangle. Okay, and then get the all the three sides. Okay, what is the variables should be. Okay, and then continue. Okay, so this is for example 5. Okay, we quickly go through this exercise 6.2, see anything that I can help you a bit here and there. Okay, look at the first questions. The diagram on the right show a right angle triangle PQR. Okay, find the value of each of the following. Okay, so the triangle is given. So you see, two sides, the length you have already. So you just need to decide the length. Okay, so you use 5 squared. Okay, minus square root of 2 squared. Okay, and then square root of whole thing. Okay, so this is 25. This one you will get 2. Okay, so this is 25 minus 2 is 23. Okay, you can write it as square root of 23. Okay, so must get ready the 3 sides, only then you start the questions. Okay, so you need to identify where is the O, A, and H. Okay, this is a deal with angle R. All are R. Okay, so R is here. Okay, so opposite will be here. Okay, this is the hypotenuse, which is opposite with the right angle, and then this side will be the adjacent. Okay, then you can start. Okay, this one is so complicated, but don't worry, you can do one by one. Okay, do cos first, do sines, after that do cosecant, after that only combine in this. Okay, cos minus sine over cosecant. Okay, do one by one. I still want you to try. Okay, but the whole idea I brief you. Okay, what is the meaning of sine square R? Okay, anyone want to try? I don't know whether you come across sine square R. Yeah, someone? Hmm? Vanessa, yeah, you have to talk slowly. On your mind longer and then talk slowly. Cannot hear.
Sine 2
Mm-hmm. Sine 2R.
sine times R.
Cannot hear.
Sine 2 times R.
Sine 2 times R. You mean times the sine 2 times R?
Maybe.
No. Not times sine 2 times. Who else want to try? What is the meaning sine square R? Nobody want to try? Do you learn in your modern maths? Okay, square. Siranya say what? Square. R squared? R squared. You mean R square it and then only sine? I will assume your meaning is like that. No, No. Okay, but a good try. Okay, who else want to try? Okay, you follow this list. The next. Okay, Siti Farah, Sophia, Sonia Sri, Zingzi. Okay, Vanessa just want to try it, and then Hanis. Okay, anyone want to try? 5, 4, 3, 2.
It's the formula, right? The one sine minus cos.
Sine minus cos. That one
Is it?
yeah. Your basic identity, you see one of these, the sine square.
Yeah.
The sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay, but I want you to know what is the meaning for this sine square r or the sine square theta. What is the meaning of it? Just now when Nisa say is 2 times sine r, then Siranya say is you square the r and then sine put the sign. Okay, I mean find the sign. Okay, Shahira say find sine and square it. Okay, Shahira one is correct. Okay, but Shahira, just now you answer already, so I give you one more here. Okay, so now we see the difference. Okay, just now it's very good actually. You know, your answer given. I can make it as an example. Okay, so Vanessa saying this. Okay, Vanessa, what you say is this. Okay,
No, I didn't mean that.
you didn't mean that.
In sine times sine like that.
Sine times sine, correct.
I said that. That's why I said sine 2 times like that.
Oh, okay, but I hear is sine times 2. Okay, if sine times 2 is this way, okay, so Vanessa, okay, I can give you mark also. Okay, so sine r itself times 2 times, okay, times itself 2 times. This is the meaning. Okay, same as what Shahira say, and then but Siranya saying this. You square the r first, then only you make the sign on the r square. So you see the difference. Okay, so this is the sine square r. Okay, the sine r. Okay, you find already another sine r. Okay, you times. This is the meaning for sine square r. Okay, means here you find the sine r already, and then you square it lah. Okay, you can write in this way also. Sine r, okay, then the whole thing is square it. Okay, so I have to give who? Vanessa. Okay, come, we come back here. Okay, now we look at number 2. This number 2 is how to say that? It's different from example 4 and also different from example 5 because tangent alpha, okay, is 2/3. So here also the same thing. Alpha is an acute angle, so you are safe with the don't worry about the positive or negative sign. Okay, in this example, in this question all are positive because it's acute angle. Okay, so first of all you need this. I help you with the starting. Okay, a right angle triangle. Label one of the angle as alpha. Okay, tangent O/A. Okay, therefore the 2 as opposite. Okay, wait. Alpha is here, so this is the opposite side, and then right angle is here, so this is a hypotenuse, so this is the adjacent. Okay, so from tangent alpha is 2/3, therefore opposite is 2, so here is 2, and then adjacent is 3, so here is 3. So I need to find the hypotenuse. Okay, so hypotenuse is square root 3 squared plus 2 squared. Okay, so is this is 9 and 4, so it's 13. Okay, so square root 13 for the hypotenuse. Okay, then you continue to do this. Okay, same thing. When you see the cos square alpha means you do cos alpha first and then whole thing you square it. Second square alpha also the same thing. Okay, you do the second alpha first, then the whole thing you square it. Okay, so this is for number 2. Okay, for number 3, find the complementary angle for each of the following. Okay, this is very simple. You just find 90 minus. Okay, they want the complementary angle only. 90 minus the question. Okay, then will be your answer. Okay, but be careful, this is radian, okay. Number 4, okay, cos 33 and then sine 33 are given. Okay, this question is similar to the example 4. Okay, this one as example 4. Okay, so I think this one no problem for you to do exercise, homework. Okay, but if you have any question when you do it, okay, you still can ask me. Okay, next we have to go to the next, this one a little bit more. Okay, but I don't think I can finish because this one is quite a lot pages. Okay, but maybe I can start method 1, method 2. Altogether have 1, 2, 3, 4 methods. 4 methods. Maybe I can finish 2 methods today. Okay, you want to determine the value of the trigonometric ratio of any angles. Okay, so here altogether 4 methods. Okay, so for the first method is use a calculator. This is the easiest methods we have. Okay, so we go through it. Okay, we straight away look at this example. Okay, use a calculator. They already tell you use calculator lah. So you don't go and use other method lah. Just use a calculator. Find the value of each of the following trigonometric ratios. Okay, correct to 4 significant figures. Please highlight whatever instructions. Okay, if this is 1 mark and then you don't follow the 4 significant figures okay, susah payah you're going to press calculator and then you write down, not follow the 4 significant figures 1 mark you cannot get lor. Okay, I try to use this calculator to show you. Why I say I try, because I'm not good in using this silver color calculator. Okay, sine is here. Okay, negative, you just follow, press negative. Okay, 215. Okay, then because you have a degree and the minute so you have to put this, the comma one. Okay, and then 12. Okay, one more time, the comma. Okay, and then cross bracket. Okay, and then call for answer. Okay, so 4 significant figures. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You cut out here. Okay, so this is for the A. Okay, now we go to the B. Okay, B, seconds we cannot call from the calculator, but we can call for cos. Okay, because second is 1 over cos. Again, the previous lesson, what we have learned. Okay, second as 1 over cos. This one you must know. Okay, so 1 over cos negative 4.14 radian. Okay, so if you don't want to change it into a degree, you still want it to straight away from the calculator to press for radian. So you got to change the mode to radian. Okay, I don't know whether I know how to change. The black color one, yes, I know. Okay, I try. Okay, I press mode. Anyone can help? I don't know where can change to in radian mode. Is it number 1? No. Anyone know?
Don't know.
Don't know. Okay, don't know. Then you have a black color calculator. So I will just tell only. Okay, black color calculator. Okay, you press mode 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time. Okay, I write out the step. Okay, you press mode, M-O-D-E, 4 time. Then you will see DEG as 1, RAD as 2, GRA as 3. Okay, RAD stand for radian. Okay, then you press 2. Follow the step, right? Okay, then you will see your calculator. They will show you a small r on the top. Means you have changed the normal degree into radian. And then remember, after you use it, immediately change back to degree. If not, anything you press also in radian. Okay, last time always we say, there's one girl, very smart girl, because she forgot to change back the mode to degree. So she assumed it's in degree, but the calculator mode is still in radian. Then after she changed it to radian, the question after that all wrong. Very, very sayang. So you all have to be careful if you change the mode of your calculator to radian. Okay, so now your calculator now in radian mode. So now we try to press for the 1 divided by, okay, you can put bracket, okay, cos of a negative 4.14. Okay, cross bracket. Okay, you can straight away get the answer negative 1.846. Okay, 4 significant figures. Anyone got problem? Tell me now. Anyone got problem in using your calculator? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, it look like no problem. Okay, next, second method, using a unit circle. Same thing, this kind of questions, when they say use unit circle, you have to show the working, but you still can check your answer, okay, by using calculator at last. Okay, check answer, okay, using calculator. Okay, because you see the question cos 135. Okay, let's say now you press cos 135. Okay, I check the answer. Okay, cos 135. Okay, this one show square root negative square root 2 over 2. Actually, it's same as this. Okay, you can change it into decimal. So it's a negative 0.7071. Okay, this one you can press and see whether you get the same thing. If you are not sure, okay, always use a calculator to help you. Okay, 1 divided by square root 2. Okay, you are getting this. Okay, like just now. Okay, if you press to a decimal, okay, same. Okay, so this one actually you can use your calculator to double confirm your answer. But same thing, you have to show the working as you are using the unit circle, okay, to help you to get the answer. Okay, set the value of each of the following. Okay, unit circle, I think you have learned right in your modern maths. What is cos? What is sine? And what is tangent? I can give you one. Okay, cos theta as the x coordinates. So what is sine theta? What is tangent theta? Tell me you have learned or not yet? Someone?
Learn.
Yeah,
Already.
Vanessa?
We learned that.
You learned that. Okay, then I can call the girl to answer. Ta ta ta. Siti Farah and Sophia.
Oh,
Who is this? I know.
Farah.
Okay, Siti Farah. Okay, Siti Farah, answer for me. What is sine theta?
Y coordinate.
Thank you. Okay, Sophia, can you answer for tangent theta? Sophia here? Sophia, can you answer? If cannot, then I give chance to another girls. Sophia. Sophia. Hey, you don't go and ask a friend, you know, WhatsApp to your friend. Hey, help me. Or go and ask Puan Shuhara. Teacher, help me. Hey, don't know, say don't know lah. You still got chance one. What is this questions? What is the questions? Okay, forget about it, Sophia. You still sleeping. Sonia Sri. Okay, y coordinate over x coordinate. Okay, Sophia, I'm asking tangent theta as what in the unit circle. Okay, y over x coordinate is because tangent theta just now also we have used it as sine theta over cos theta. Okay, you see sine theta is what? Y coordinate. Cos theta is what? X coordinate. Therefore, tangent theta as y over x coordinates. This is one more thing that you need to know. Yes, you see so many things. You got to ready, when you want to answer questions. Okay, so now we see. Okay, 135. Okay, this is 45 degree. So means all this is 45 degree. This is 45, this is 45, this is 45, same as this, and this. Okay, so 135 is at where? Okay, so from here to here is 90. Okay, 90 plus 45. Okay, this is 135. From here to here, this is 135. So for this 135, you are referring to these coordinates. Yeah, the coordinate that correspond to 135 are this, and the cos 135 is the, okay, cos is the x coordinate, so means we take this. So this is the answer. Okay, that's simple. But you have to know which one is the coordinate because they will purposely, give you others to confuse you. Okay, next we see. Okay, how about this negative pi over 4 radian? Negative, remember, negative is start from the positive x-axis and then this way come down. Okay, clockwise. Okay, so pi over 4 is what? Let me think. Pi over 2, pi is 180. Pi over 2 is 90 degree. Pi over 4 is 45 degree. Correct? If I'm wrong, correct me. Pi over 4 as 45 degree. Okay, so negative 45 degree means come down from here. Okay, means you are referring to these coordinates. Okay, the coordinates that corresponding to negative pi over 4 radian are this. Okay, correct? Okay, so now they are looking at cosecant. Okay, same thing. Cosecant is not in the list, but you know that cosecant as 1 over sine. Okay, 1 over sine. Okay, so it's 1 over y coordinate. Okay, so 1 over y coordinates. Okay, so the y coordinate is this. Okay, 1 over this, so upside down the balik. Okay, so it's negative square root of 2. Okay, this is how you use a unit circle, okay, to get the answer. Okay, so today homeworks are, other than just now, that exercise, got 4 questions, 6.2, 4 questions. Then you see 6.3. Okay, 6.3, you do question 1 and question 2. Okay, question 1 is using a calculator. Okay, but be careful. This is for decimal places. Just now is for significant figures. Okay, this is, they want 4 decimal places. Okay, then for question number 2, okay, this is using the unit circle. You see, so complicated, you don't know which one you should use. Okay, then do all for these 6 questions. Okay, since I still have 5 more minutes only, maybe I can guide you a little bit. But don't worry, remember, after you get your answer ready, okay, final answer, you can use a calculator to check. But you must show like just now the example, which coordinates you are corresponding to, and then you are referring to x, y, or the combination of the x, y coordinates. Must explain. Okay, that one as you're working. Yeah. Okay, we start with this. Okay, I want to know, like just now the angle is 45, but this angle is how big? Okay, can Sophia answer now? How big is the angle? Sophia, again you. Ayo, why are you going to click that? 22.5? No. Zingzi? Why 22.5? Oh, because you're 45 divided by 2 again. No. See carefully. Okay, Zingzi? Can you tell how big is this angle? Okay, 30. Okay, why 30? Can you explain? Sophia also know 30 already. Okay. Any of you explain, or both of you explain why 30? You do what and then you get 30. Okay, Sophia say because here to here is 90. So 1, 2, 3 divide into 3. Okay, so she get 90. Okay, thanks for both. So each of this is 30. Every of this is 30. Okay, now we see the first one. Okay, 330 degree. So in one whole turn from here to here is 360. So 330 degree is from here to here. Therefore, the correspond coordinates or the point with this question A will be this one. Okay, question A, you are referring to this. Okay, then sine. Sine is what? X or Y coordinate? Sine is Y coordinate. So your answer is this. That's simple. Okay, but when you see the question, not simple, lor. Okay, but you try. Okay, so wait. Sophia, I can give you 1 mark. Okay, Theo, give you 1 mark. Okay. Okay, I think that's all for today. Okay, this one try. If cannot, then tomorrow you can ask me still. Okay, you see 3 pi means what? 2 pi is 1 whole turn already. After 1 turn, you turn after 1 turn, and then you go another pi, means another 180 degree. This is the meaning. Okay. Wait, I have to